How una day, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome all of una come the party show. Hey! All right, as it be like this now, we welcome everybody. How una day, how every, how they going, they coming, they hustling, the many things they wanna they do. Hope say una day very specific and casual. As a matter of fact, be like this now. We say welcome to all of una when they watch the show like this. As it be so, now only me go run the whole package today because as it be like this now, somewhere in the midst of the whole thing, we dey expect say maybe Mayowa no go make am today. As I promised na last week, by this week she go come back, but somehow she don't already show me signs say maybe and maybe not. So ladies and gentlemen, based on things with how they feel some kind of presence. You know how you go feel some kind of presence around you sometimes. You know, for those of you now we sabi disturb sometimes. You know, say how you just stay, your head go dey big. My head is big. I'm having a big head. What do you mean? Is there anybody close to me? Anybody beside me? Okay. So, hey, Ajaoshi, my girl, you come back, my girl. Oh, I miss you.
I came back with my load.
See your load, plenty load everywhere.
Came back with my load.
This your load there.
To stay.
This your load there. It's making you enter way. Welcome back. Welcome back. Mayolistic.
Yeah.
People, we're back in the building like, whoa.
So you go bring mannequin.
Mayowa.
You go bring something where girl lead.
Mayowa, wait.
I say it's me.
Mayowa, wait.
You were not doing voice me.
Wait, Mayowa, wait. See, that's what I do. You watch Amabi
yes.
on YouTube?
Yes.
That's what I do, Mayowa. Now, because I not find another woman like you.
I didn't have a replacement.
You cannot have a replacement. Because you touched me somewhere for my mitochondria and my liver. My kidney, they erupt. They feel anyhow just because say you're not there. So I don't see any other woman like you. You understand? After I do 2 days with Mary come turn to hair toy. Now I say no more hair toy. I come to one person who said that for Twitter. Said that my toy. I said no. He took me. I said before they go turn me to somebody else.
Took you.
Now go import my guy Baba K. Because sit forth. So I don't see woman.
Baba K 1 leg.
One and a half.
Okay.
As I don't see woman. I just see me man constitute. So I don't go cheat on you. I don't go cheat on you.
You agree that I'm the only woman.
Mayowa.
I'm the only woman that only me. You agree?
Only.
You surrender.
Only.
That is okay.
I surrender.
So when they tell you say, oh, but no, you don't get sense, you don't have sense, you are not thinking, you'll be believing me.
Mayowa, I believe you finished.
I have your mumu button.
No, wait, my mumu button. Say you go disappear.
Yes, you
feel like disappear again.
You will miss me.
No worry, you will know how far. But miss you.
I know.
I be missing you. Every step I take.
I miss you.
Every move I make.
I be missing you.
Every single day. Every night I pray. I be missing you.
We'll go on a break.
No greet that. No tell that.
Yes. I'm very happy. The happiness in my stomach have swelled to the air.
Wow.
That's why I lose my hair halfway.
Wow.
Because the happiness is too much.
It's torturous.
Yes. So welcome you, me, us. Paddy show.
You know how I roll. So we'll go on break now. My don't day here. Now me go run later. But
that's okay. You can run for as long as you want. Just my accent is not going there.
You can only run with a go break. Only.
La Pasterity.
Why you?
So here we are, here all alone. The band quit playing, everyone went home, but the stars are still out. You're so damn hot, and I ain't ready for the music to stop. Baby, be my love song. Baby, be my all night long. Be the buzz in my Dixie cup, my steady ride. sun comes up, you know I really love to watch you dance.
Oh, love we gwelem o. Ewo. Love we gwelem. Love we gwegi. Heu. Mayowa. Congratulobia to you. Congratulobia to you. Make we see now. Let me see now. Make I see now. Wow. Wow. Blink, blink. Now make me wear glass. Oh.
If you like it, then you know you. If you like it, then you know you.
Wow. This is not prayer point for many people.
Yes.
Mayowa,
yes.
Congratulobia to you.
Thank you, honey.
Not be smart thing.
Yes.
How you feel
my brother,
when they are proposing?
My brother, the hustle is real.
Oh, okay.
The hustle for this man is real.
Oh, Lord.
Oh.
Person called the tackle me.
When one finally say, will you? Yes. Yes, I will die. Yes, I died there. Because this hustle. Oh, God.
You see, it's a very good thing. A very good thing. Say, because this one is a prayer point for many people.
Yes.
Some people say, oh God, where will it be?
Yes.
But for my very own girl, may you list me using, it don't be. So from here like this now, better things. Amen?
Amen.
Better things.
Laugh at you now.
Mona no dey tackle me like this now. Wait.
Just in case you don't know, this boy is not a small boy, yo. It's not a small boy. This is a granddaddy, Aristo. Yes.
He never reached there.
Yes.
He never reached Aristo. No, I cannot come and.
It's not a small boy.
We
it's
know.
your time to.
You know how many hearts you go break for outside?
Give us Yandy, I beg.
Yandy, yo. If you don't even me, only me.
All right, back to
more
the matter.
Serious matters.
Open and close. Touch your toes.
Yo.
Number namo.
Oh, not true.
No. They don't banner.
No, we feel they do the thing now in the midst of.
They don't.
But why they can't go?
Maybe now they understand.
Say, Nicki Minaj, we go do Anaconda since. When people don't groove the song finish. Use the song to do bad thing finish. It don't they even fit. Then they can't remember say they go ban that one. So it's too early to do this our own now. It's too early. Therefore, let them finish first before.
Anyways, this particular song when I saw back to the matter.
Okay, you don't do.
So that's the song when I first sing. When I say back to the matter, open and close, touch your toes, something.
That's an exercise.
That particular song, the person was singing Whiskey.
Wheezy.
It's your boy Wheezy. Yeah.
Oh no.
Whiskey. OJ B Jazz Reed.
Yes.
You understand? You know, so that guy don't old. He's almost 50. He don't come out now and talk. Say, well, in case una no know, now you knows. Yes. Yeah. Now you knows. Na me, na in come out Wizkid. No be by Kiss W. No be head boy. Now me discover whiskey. They come tell and say, look, I no be small boy. I no need to come out. They argue this thing with the people. Now me be the one of the people where go whiskey house, go beg the papa and the mama say, I beg. Make this boy pursue
music
in career when he want do. You understand? He can't talk say, but the truth be say for this music, some people, no matter how much when you spend on top them for one label, if they no cross over, go another one, they no go blow. Say some of them are so they be, some of them are lock. One album they don't blow. Some of them that they go do for years before they blow. He said, take for example, now say you know how much they spend money on top Harry's song, as he cross over go 5-star, he blow. You understand? So
Shantizu.
Thank you.
The Ninja Ninja.
Na so.
He crossover.
He blow.
Scales. Easy.
Enter another one. Blow. Not be the same easy na he blow the whiskey.
Exactly.
So wetin they try talk now be say you people should not confuse it. Exactly. But he go talk one thing. No say even Harry, even whiskey, nobody go fit talk. Nobody go fit talk say that particular label where they first the one and a question mark record label.
Yes,
try for them. Because the truth be say yes, now be the foundation. So the truth be say OGB Jazzy.
OGB.
Yes. He can talk, say, look, I found these people. I'm their granddaddy. I'm not their mate, really.
Yes.
So I cannot be coming and be arguing with you because I'm not a small boy anymore.
A pao.
Yeah.
OGB is now a pao.
Na popsi.
I not be lie. For Sule, now there studio day.
Yeah.
Sule, where boys like us for, bounce out from.
Yeah.
Wizkid be like studio rats.
That year
For OJB studio. So I feel certified. I feel second the motion, which says OJB now discover Wizkid.
So.
But like you talk, then somebody go discover, another person go blow the person.
Another person go blow the person.
But now be discover.
You understand? Like Ogbolo, you discovered me, somebody else took it.
I discovered Mayowa. Somebody else carry her go another level. It's all right. It's all right. I know argue the matter. I'm just okay. Yeah. God will do for you. Could do for me.
Yes.
Amen.
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 Now for my own gist, Dr. Dre. What up,
I don't even know this somebody.
I know I try to remember his songs because I know be really Dr. Dre fan like that. If not Tupac Shakur now. California.
You know my favorite song of Tupac?
Which one?
My Unborn Child.
To my Unborn Child. Me, I like Changes. Me, I like Now I See Change.
Don't be Dre.
Okay. Dr. Dre. You say Dr. Dre now done the old. You understand? And he can't sit down one day. He just looks say, for this music career, we are done hustle. When I young that year, I do things. Some kind of terrible things. Most especially to women them. He said, but now when don't come out, now come turn to man, we don't get more structure for life, and now he don't get sense, wisdom don't fully head, he don't succeed, even as he selling own Dre beats, give Apple people, money don't full everywhere. Now he don't sit down, come look back over in life and say, hey, he said, I did very, very sorry for all the women that I make them cry when I young. He said that time, man, money full in hand anyhow, and as young man, they think where he beat some. He slaps some. He assaults some. He use mouth take beat some. He use hand take beat some.
He use some.
Take beat some. He wound some. Different kind of wounding. Heart wounding, physical wounding, wounding. Different type of wounding. He said, but now, I'm sorry for everything. All the women, maybe one of them don't cause am. Maybe one Ngozi don't look. Say, hey, Dre.
For this thing what you do.
For this thing what you do me. You gonna make money, you not gonna see him. But no, the boy na big boy now because me now one of the richest hip-hop artists for US till today.
Now present continuous, na biggin boy.
Biggin.
Still they go.
Because they pay him continuously.
Yeah.
Apple alone.
Yes.
They pay him continuously. Based on the Dre beats earphone where you go do. You understand? But sometimes money go dey your hand, you go to see.
What headphones are you wearing? Oh, it's Beats by Dre.
Beats by Dre. Plus the fake one, and the original, the near original fake.
Beats by Dre, beaten by Dre, was beaten by Dre. Beaten by Dre.
Exactly, beaten. I don't see that beaten. Oh, they put D for the end. Niger, China. Anyway, but Dr. Dre, you feel a good thing because sometimes they do me like say some people just bad. Reach where they can't reach up, they can't say I'm sorry for the former time where I bad. If you say a sincere apology in they do, I think just sit down, can't look back and say I'm sorry for that year. Maybe a apology they genuine, but any which way. As person use the mouth talk and say in the apologize, make way forgive him like that.
But you know say Ogbolo, then talk this thing, get something where person they talk. Even though na the holy book talk but people still they talk and say as a man think for him mind.
So
now so they talk and come out. The truth be say for him to apologize now, if he don't they think maybe the guilt don't they kill him for some time. He can't talk say you know what, I can't take it anymore. I will just come out and talk it. I assault people and for this reason and this reason alone, I'm sorry.
Okay, but any which way, apology accepted. For we waiting for Nigeria, you know, say you not touch anybody for here. But on behalf of all the women,
too sure. Some people they go international. What's wrong
some
with
of our
you?
sisters they do international job.
They do international.
So on behalf of all the women all over the world, when Dr. Dre done some assault physically, mentally, emotionally, actually, Dr. Dre sorry. He's sorry. We are sorry on his behalf. So thank you very much. So we got this break now. Before we go inflict different kind of injury to you, physically, emotionally, mentally,
comedy injury we made.
Yes.
It's not really no. So we are coming back from this break. But don't do that.
women, they just like one of my friends, they marry. They come see me, all of us lie down for grand.
So,
we pay.
Una go pay
We
money
pay. For that day, nobody tell you if I go Yoruba wedding. We will go do all those ones. Change the full pocket.
So.
Oh yeah, àwọn ọ̀rẹ́
bí ọkọ.
Ẹ sanwó owó gate.
Owó fìlà. Owó dọ̀bálẹ̀.
Owó this one.
Owó gbọ̀nsẹ̀. Owó everything.
In every show go say, madam, wetin happen? You want to come stay build house? Wetin? Na marry one marry, no be house one build. What's wrong about you? Anyway. Continue on top of the yarn levels.
I think one day we're going to do one show for here. Ogbolo we say people go tell us, send us messages as per their culture. Wetin it entail to marry as man or woman.
For their own side.
For their own side.
Yes.
Because I hear some kind demands, Ogbolo, my head scatter. For some kind places.
So one of my friends, he postponed wedding like 2 years. But he don't say, I will marry next 2 months. When he see bill, he say, two years from now we'll marry. Nobody tell the parents, so make them do negotiation.
Of
say,
course.
okay, you don't have to bring this one. You don't have to bring. When the boy see, what's happen? No. Marriage, oh. And if you can't go marry that first speaking for some Igbo side, that first speaking will go school. Your own. Anyway.
So talking about marriage matter, we are talking Makinwa, you understand, the popular OAP for Inside Lagos, popular presenter, Toke Makinwa.
Yeah.
Now, Toke Makinwa recently gets one issues on top marriage matter or no marriage matter with her husband. Don't come out now, can't talk. Say, I go talk am as she take talk, and she said, sex kills. It is bad for you to get sex if you never marry. You are dirty. And God no like dirty. She said, if you never marry and you dey watch this one or you be underage, I am judging you because sex should only be with your rightful partner, in quotes, your husband. While you are having sex, close your legs. Only give it to the person that you want to spend the rest of your life with. So even if you dey practice abstinence safe, from now to tomorrow, people go still have sex because the generation where we did now, na generation of people where they get sex a lot.
Sure.
So I beg, even though we know say you no go fit hear all these things when they talk, try use protection. But I go talk am again. Sex before marriage is dirty, and God hates dirty things.
So now wetin she talk be this. So that one not really mean say she not do am before she marry, but she just come out and just come talk say even though she knows na wrong thing, or even though maybe she do am, but na still wrong thing.
Na wrong thing. So make people know they do am again.
No, na good thing she dey talk.
Na good thing she dey talk.
You understand? Now wetin I dey try
practice
for my life.
You know, say these days, even some people shut up.
I dey practice for my life. Wetin be shut up? I dey do it for my life.
Oh, I don't like rubbish.
You don't come back.
No be said.
You dey follow me. They do play
water. For this show, 2 of us they open the wheel for here like this. Ogbola, I know you. No, they talk nonsense.
You know me.
Now, so you come here with shirt one day. Ogbola, respect yourself. Don't do that. Don't do that.
What's I do this girl?
You go just come.
What's that? Organic Kambi.
Organic Kambi get kill you there.
Yeah. Mayawa. This is how I know you are back. This is how I know you are back. Because that's of course they slap me. They shift my brain for me. Organic good do it. No, seriously. I've been maintaining myself well.
Keep quiet.
No, they do this thing for the right person.
Keep
you understand?
quiet.
Wherever you are. My wife in the future, no say your husband will keep himself for you. You understand? Like new wine, fresh wine.
I will beg you people something. The day Ogbola will do mistake and ask a girl, will you marry me? Please don't loud it because the kind of heart that will destroy.
No, not be me. Cause
hey,
no, it's not
the
me.
kind of heart that we break.
See, the Bible talks one thing. The Bible talk one thing. You understand? Say you be light of the world.
Okay, so now you be the light.
And the salt to the earth. You understand me now? So when you be like that kind of person, where they operate in that kind momentum, you know that rema. You understand? You could attract things to yourself. No, now you now the person will know how to take. They say, okay, no.
Shut up.
You understand? You gonna say no.
So as you are like this, there's enough of Ogbola to go.
No.
Ogbola, you are the light to the women folk world.
You see, the way
you are a salt that attracts.
Okay, let's move on, please. Toke Makinwa, you don't cause trouble, but not me. What I talk just now?
Hey, I don't know.
Footballer Cristiano Ronaldo, they don't name her the world most charitable sports star. Now be say, 9 give money pass. Now they give things pass for the whole world of sports, not be just football, for the whole world of sports. The gist plenty, but Real Madrid star Cristiano Ronaldo, they don't name him as the world most charitable sports star. Meaning say in the give, your hand open well.
Oh, that's
different, about 20 charitable sports stars and day for that particular list. But all of them, number 5, we get Neymar where they play football. Top 5, you know. But make us start from number 5. We get Neymar where they play football.
Number 5. For number 4,
we get Unatim. Maybe figure skater.
Number 3,
Serena Williams, where they play lawn tennis.
And number 2,
this WWE wrestling champion, John Cena.
But number 1.
Number 1, Cristiano Ronaldo.
You know, say this Cristiano Ronaldo that a lot of plenty girls crush.
I swear down.
Even mine. He is so cute.
I don't really know what's in cute too much.
He's
but
cute.
For Lego, I know say the guy they finish everything. You understand? But anyway, Cristiano Ronaldo, one Nigerian for make this list?
At least.
Not the gift for this country. Make I live now. Now they carry women.
Funny video. Laugh the laugh. Carry
Okocha. Mikel Obi. No. Oh, blood.
Oh, word. All right. So, just 3 minutes before we carry Kaya Komot from inside here.
Yes.
Anyway, send us your tweets, send us your followership on top Facebook.
Yes.
Follow us for Twitter, follow us for Instagram.
Yes.
At Wazobia Paddy from the stage show. And then follow us for Instagram at Mayawa Lambe. At Ogbono. Follow us in the day. And then one birthday shout out. Happy birthday to you, Funke Akindele.
Today
na your girl birthday.
Yes, my girl, Funke Akindele, we best girls. And yesterday, now be your own. Your Naija. Yawizo, Manizo.
Yeah, for Shizo.
You know, my guy.
Wasizo.
But on top Twitter, I want me to do something. When you go write hashtag welcome Mayowa. Or welcome. You understand? With the way I don't say not the happiness, I don't see. Okay, so from here we go say bye bye to all of you now, and God will bless everybody. We'll see you now tomorrow. We love all of you. Take care. If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make you sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.